Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the lock screen wallpaper services in this device. So in this device you can see the lock screen wallpaper is this one. This is not changing. So let me show you how to enable the lock screen wallpaper services or how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. Simply go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper, scroll down. Here you can see the option wallpaper services, tap on this one. You can select either a dynamic lock screen or Samsung Global Goals. So here I am going to select the option dynamic lock screen. After that tap on apply. Okay, if you tap on the dynamic lock screen, you can see some categories of pictures you can see here. You can download the pictures and it will apply to your lock screen. So here I am going to download the plants. Already I downloaded landscape and the art. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. You can see each and every time the lock screen wallpaper is changing. Right? So simply in this way you can enable the lock screen wallpaper services in this device, or you can change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.